Hi everyone, Leah here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another beading video for you. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to go check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and notification bell and you'll always know when we're posting new content. So today is another installment in my monthly series of basically what's new or awesome and wonderful at Eureka. So what I do is I show you products that are new to us this month, or even ones that we've had for a while, but maybe they're just getting a little overlooked and we want to bring them back to your attention because they're so fabulous. So I'm going to start with a newer product. So what we have here are, oops, they're getting a little messed up here. These are 8mm Preciosa Chatons. And we've had 8mm Preciosa Chatons unset for a very long time, but we now carry them where they are set in these great little 2-hole settings. Let's see, there are the holes there. They go right along the back. And we currently have 6 colors up on the website that are set, but the possibilities are endless there, and we will be adding more because we have the ability to have them set in all of the many colors that we already carry in our category. That's just all of the Preciosa Chatons. So any color is possible there, but we currently have 6 that are inventoried and up on the website. So I wanted to give you a look-see at those. So here, these are 3 that we have in a gold setting, gold-plated setting. I have a light Colorado Topaz AB, and remember, these are Preciosa Chatons, they're not Swarovski Chatons. So light Colorado Topaz for Preciosa is going to be a little different than Swarovski's light Colorado Topaz. This one is actually a bit closer to what Swarovski's Topaz looks like. And then we also have here Peridot AB, and they're just so sparkly. I love them. And we also have light Siam AB. So I wanted to give you guys a nice little, there you go, now you can really see the colors a little deeper, and then you get that really fun AB flash on there. So these are a lot of fun. And because they're 2-hole, as you know, you can do pretty much anything with them. So many projects nowadays are utilizing 2-hole beads. So these are the 2 colors that we have set in silver plating. We have Capri Blue AB and we have Turquoise AB. And I'll show you in a minute a project that I did do with the Turquoise AB. That's really fun. So these are just super nice, super sparkly for summer, or even for, you know, a nice night out any time of the year. Sparkly for winter, wherever. I mean, any season. Any season needs crystal, as far as I'm concerned. And this is a setting. This one is in copper colored setting. There you go. And this one is light Colorado Topaz AB again. And again, these are Preciosa 8mm Chatons, and they are set in little wonderful 2-hole sew-on settings. So a project that I did using them is this really fun bracelet. I'm calling this the Woven Crystal Chaton Tennis Bracelet. And this is just a really gorgeous one. Let me give you a nice close-up look there. And if you follow our blogs, or the blogs that I put up, this is actually a blog post where I show you how to make this, so that way you'll know all the ins and outs of how to create it. It has a nice little magnetic clasp, which is surprisingly strong for such a petite magnetic clasp, and that's what I really like about it, because it's a pretty lightweight bracelet. So you don't want the clasp visually to be too big or too heavy, but you still want it to be strong, and it has that wonderful convenience of being a magnet. So this is a really fun bracelet. Let me see if I can give you another good close-up. So you're going to want to check this one out. It is in a blog on our website. If you go to our website, just go down to the very bottom. We have the Eureka Crystal Beads Bead Academy, and you can learn all sorts of great things. So that one is a blog, free pattern. Another blog pattern, speaking of blogs, I want to talk about. This is a blog that I put up just before this one, actually, so you'll also see this one there. This is another woven bracelet. It uses Swarovski crystals and seed beads, and it has Swarovski Rivolis set into 2-hole sew-on settings. And to top it all off, we also have some 2-hole check beads in there. These are the 2-hole Diamond Duo check glass beads, and this is called the Dutchess Bracelet. And this one is a lot of fun. It's a little bit more complex looking, which is why I like it so much. And I utilize in this one a 2-strand slide bar clasp there, and I love these. They're really nice and secure, and they're actually pretty easy to put on yourself, which is another thing that's really nice about them. It's sort of the bane of everyone's existence who loves bracelets, is the ones that are just difficult to get on yourself. But these are actually pretty easy to get on yourself. So again, this is the Dutchess Bracelet. And we have all the components, and of course we'll link you below to everything that I'm showing you, as well as to the blog postings as well. So if you want an easy way to find the blog postings, just look down below in the description bar, and you'll find direct links to them. But again, this is another pattern that we have up in our blog, free for you to take advantage of. So one more thing on blogs. I am actually working on a blog as we speak. It's literally sitting not quite finished on my computer screen, but by the time this video airs, it will be up and it will be published, so we'll be able to link it to you again below. This is a brand new bracelet that we have as a free tutorial in there. We're calling this the Pearl Passion bracelet, and this is a woven bracelet with fire line and beading needles. These other two were done with soft flex and crimping. But for our bead weavers out there, this one is done with right angle weave, and then we've sort of embellished the sides with pearls. And give you a nice close-up. Nice, great, easy little pattern. It's a good introduction pattern actually to right angle weave as well. I hope I have a little thread in there that I have to trim off a little closer that I didn't catch. And another great one is in the blog I talk about some variations that you can do on this. For example, you can add in 6mm Swarovski bicones instead of the 6mm pearls. So a lot of great little fun things you can do with this one, and it's just a really gorgeous bracelet. It actually feels really nice on. It's really slinky, really comfortable to wear because of all those pearls and the super duos. We have the super duos in there, which are a lot of fun too. Who doesn't love super duos? So that is a blog that by the time this episode or this video is posted will be up on our website. So take a look for that free pattern. So lastly, I wanted to show you some more close-ups of some of our amazing crystals. So first, this one is a 27mm Rivoli, and by the time this video goes up, it will be listed on the website. It is not listed at this moment, but fair warning, it may be going up before we have a picture of it. So I wanted to give you a nice, beautiful view of it here in this video in case you want to go and purchase it before we even get a video up and before it potentially sells out. These tend to sell out pretty fast. So want to give you a nice, beautiful view of it so you can purchase it comfortably even before we get a picture up in the listing on the website. This is a 27mm Swarovski crystal Rivoli, foil backed, and the color is Crystal Vitriol Light. And I am just in love with this one. It's got beautiful sky blues and violets in it, and it's just absolutely stunning. And it's even got some lovely aquas and teals in there too. This is a beauty, folks. And this sort of, this will add to our collection that we're growing on our website of 27mm Rivolis alongside other great colors like majestic blue and some of the insanely gorgeous ultra colors that we have. So this one, again, by the time this video airs, it'll be up on the website. However, it may be sans picture, but this is going to give you a good idea of what this beauty looks like in case we don't get a picture up before it sells out. So act fast, folks. All right, now this is one that I showed briefly in a Facebook Live video we did a couple of weeks ago. We added a whole collection of vintage Swarovski crystal, and this is one of my favorite ones. It's a vintage Swarovski crystal pendant, and it is a 30mm. It is only $6 a pop actually, which was pretty nice. By the way, this is going to go up for $10 a pop, which is a really good price on those. And I'm in love with this. It's such a unique shape, and it's discontinued. It's vintage. They do not make them anymore. So which ones that we do have up on the website, once they're gone, they are gone. We cannot get any more. We do have a pretty good amount of them right now. I think there's like 49 of them up on the website right now. But again, once they're gone, and especially at that price. So I'm in love with this guy. And it may look big in my hands, but it's actually not so big that it still couldn't be a beautifully comfortable pendant or even a big beautiful pair of earrings, as long as you don't mind a slightly heavier earring. But I think this is just phenomenal as a pendant, and it would just look absolutely stunning on anyone's neck. And it's crystal AB, so you can see from this side we're looking into the crystal. You can see all of those beautiful blue and yellow flashes, and then when you turn it around to the other side, in case you like the back of the AB even more, it has a lot more of those bright yellow and bright blue flashes like that. Stunning. I personally like it better from this side because I like to just sort of dive right into it. But either way, it looks gorgeous no matter what. And the last thing I'm going to show you, this is a fancy stone. So this one, for example, does have a hole in it at the top. But like the Rivoli, this one does not have a hole in it. It's a lovely little Swarovski fancy stone. This is an Octagon, and this is actually 27 millimeter by 18.5 millimeter, and it's crystal vitriol medium. And so remember, this was crystal vitriol light, this one is crystal vitriol medium. And just look, it's just every color of the amazing rainbow is in crystal vitriol medium. So if you ever see crystal vitriol medium in a still picture, you know, you're just getting one still shot to see what it looks like, but to see it moving is why I wanted to show it in this video, because you really do just get every color in there. It would just match with anything. You just throw this, you know, onto an ear wire after you bead a nice little bezel around it, and it's stunning. And I know this is a tougher shape for beaders. You know, the shapes that are round are a bit easier. You can just do a simple peyote bezel around there. I am going to be working on a pattern for the Octagon, so that way you'll be a little bit more comfortable with what to do with it. I will warn you though, it's not likely that we would be replenishing this, and there are only 7 left on our website, so grab them while you can. They only go for $8.75, and just again, it's just absolutely stunning, and it may look pretty big on the screen and pretty big in my hands. Just look at that sparkle. Oh, I love it. You can see all the lovely lights we have here. But when you really see it in your hand, it's beautiful as a pendant, even as earrings. It's very lightweight. It's not as heavy as the pendant here, so this would absolutely be light enough for an earring. And if you like a beautiful honker of an earring, this would be the most stunning piece ever, because it'll literally match anything you own. So grab these while they last. We only have 7 left of them. So that wraps it up for now, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to visit us on over at EurekaCrystalBeads.com for everything that we've used in this video. And I will link you below, so that way you can easily get to them. And let us know, actually, if there's anything else you would love to see up close and personal. I'd be happy to do a video. I know sometimes, you know, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but I think a video is worth a lot more. And I'd be happy to show you guys close-ups of anything that you think would make a gorgeous video. All right, see you next time.